Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's Mary. This is Tip Time Thursday, and today we're going to talk about getting the family on board and setting up organizational systems. Because part of decluttering and being organized is setting up systems so you can maintain your decluttering. And if you have a family, you need to set up systems that are easy to implement. Otherwise, no one is going to get on board with you. So your system has to be just as easy to implement as not implementing. So let's say you use my idea of always putting your keys in the same place. If you decide that same place is going to be a locked box that you need a key to get into, you're never going to end up putting your key there because it's just going to be too difficult. You have to make it really easy to implement, just as easy to implement as not implement. So just have your key spot be a bowl, a dish, a shelf, or something like that where you can just throw your keys in. Just have your shower squeegee system be simple and easy. Keep a squeegee right there in the shower so after you shower, everyone in the family can just squeegee and go. So all your systems have to be easy. Myself, I notice a hot spot with my mail. So I'm going to set up just a little trash can right as I walk in the front door to put all my junk mail in so I can take it directly to the recycling bin to be recycled. But it has to be something really simple and easy. So instead of throwing my junk mail in a spot on the kitchen table, I can just throw it in a trash can. Sorry, my puppy's barking. My little Cassie, who's very dirty. Anyway, so instead of, I set up a system to trash can, so instead of throwing the junk mail on a messy pile in the kitchen table, I can just throw it directly in a recycling trash can that I can then just pick up and lug to the recycling bin when it gets full. So that's my tip today for this Tip Time Thursday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up. Thanks for joining.